Good morning to all. My name is Rabiyathul Basariya. Today, I'm honored to share the inspiring story and the valuable insight I gained during my interview. I interviewed an entrepreneur. His name is Rabik. He lead Pickle manufacturing company. We see his business history, how to start a business and what are the challenges they faced and how to be succeed. It is a pickle manufacturing company located in Sekimangalam, Madurai. The company journey began in 1978 with an initial capital of 10,000 rupees. Initially, it was started with a partnership, but within the first few months, the partner decided to leave, resulting in the significant loss of 10,000. However, the founder did not reduce his energy and spirit, so they preserved and continued the business alone. Naming it Mamiya, the name was chosen for simplicity and memorability, the sense of power and spite it conveyed. In its early days, they manufactured two varieties of pickle, is lemon and mango, without any hired workers. All the work was done at home with the help of family members. As the business scaled, more varieties were added and leading the employment and workers. Two branches was established. One is the main area of Madurai and the another one is the rural setting. Although the transportation was easier in rural area, the one challenges is the wastewater cleaning due to the absence of drainage facilities in rural area. Despite this, the company covering the cleaning cost independently. Mr. Rabik attended government-arranged classes to enhance their knowledge and providing the vital support for company growth. This connection with the other industry leader are crucial in establishing a professional network. Regarding raw material purchased, Mr. Rabik sourced materials such as the tomato, lemon, and mangoes direct from farmer in Andhra Pradesh. In urgent situation, local market were so explored. Cost efficiency was achieved through the strategic negotiation and utilized the affordable lorry service essential for maximizing the profit. For a marketing, a personalized approach was adopted. Mr. Ravik enhanced direct with the customer and understand their needs and maintain a good relationship with the customer. Customers were categorized into three groups based on the purchasing power. A group comprised high-end users who brought container and bottle pickles. B group consider of average customer purchasing 5 rupees package, while C group with a lower budget preferred 1 and 2 rupees package. The main customer based price in the B and C group. Currently, the company operates two branches and 20 employees individual, with a significant number of women employed. They produce 15 variety of pickle, both veg and non-vegetarian. Totally 500 kg daily manufactured, out of which 300 to 400 are sold. In conclusion, this interview taught me a valuable lesson about responsibility, creativity, and resilience. Entrepreneur is a far from a linear path. It's involved navigation, numerous challenges. During downtime, maintaining a financial stability and remaining self-motivated and programmated. Identify and rectifying mistakes, continue process. Entrepreneurship demands fortitude, determination, and the ability to be succeed. To leave you with this thought, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing best today. Remember, over small step counts. Dreaming about your own business is just a beginning. The planning and hard work you invest daily. Thank you for your attention and may your entrepreneurial journey be filled with passion and persistence and prosperity. Thank you.